Okay, describe what's going on with your life, man. I seen something. What's going on?
So it's actually a long story. So I'm actually 26 and I'm working as a data scientist for a firm called a fintech company in India.
Mm-hmm.
And for the past 2 years, it's been completely down south for me because I've been to mental asylum thrice. I've been to the rehabilitation center twice.
You've been to what? You've been to the mentalist. You've been to the what? Say that again. Mental asylum.
Mental asylum.
What did you go
Yeah,
to the
because
mental asylum for, bro?
I had a phase of schizophrenia, also long episodes of depression and anxiety. And
Okay.
because of that, went to substance abuse as well.
Okay.
So because of that, went to rehabilitation center as well.
Okay. So
Yeah,
are you
and
are you good now, bro?
yeah, I'm totally fine. For the past 7 months, I'm actually totally clean after coming back from the rehab, and now I'm continuing my job.
Mm-hmm.
Also, from the past 3 months, I've been going to the gym, hitting some weights, and I'm
Okay.
looking to develop my life in a more positive manner. So I just wanted to know how can I progress it. I mean, I just wanted your tips as to what should I bring more positive in my life. Yeah.
Gotcha. So was it like a actual like genetic thing that caused the mental episodes, or was it like something else?
Actually, it was a past trauma. So I had a girlfriend, and we were there together for at least 10 years. And
Wow.
she left, so that's why I,
She
I
what?
wasn't able to control myself.
She
She
left
she
you?
left after 10 years. Yeah, after 10 years.
So a girl caused you to go to the mental asylum.
No, 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 no. She broke up with me.
So a girl made you go to the mental asylum because she left you.
Indirectly, yes.
Okay,
I,
so
I I admit I've been a complete fool. I admit that I've been a complete fool.
okay, we're gonna work through it. Okay, what happened with the girl? Why did she leave you?
I think it was because of the trust issues and because of my insecurities, maybe. So,
So you thought she was
past.
cheating on you or something?
Yeah, kind of.
Was she cheating on you, or you just were insecure?
Actually, past 1 year, uh, it's been 2 years of our breakup, and I was stalking for her at least for 1 year. And in 2024, I came to know that she is with someone else, and it started
At work,
when she was there with me.
it was
Yeah.
it was it her job possibly?
No, actually, she went for higher studies.
Oh, okay, so
She went
you
for
had a girlfriend.
masters.
You had a girlfriend. Y'all were with each other for 10 years, and she went to another country or state,
Kind of another state.
and you stayed with her
I was there virtually with her, but
virtually.
someone was else.
Yeah,
Yeah,
somebody was there physically. You were there virtually. Got it.
exactly.
These stories, man, they write themselves. I'm telling y'all don't want to accept the female nature for what it is. Y'all just y'all want women to y'all think the rules don't apply to y'all. That's what y'all think it is. All the stuff that I know about female nature and how human beings operate and how women, you got to do what's best for you, and you can't do long distance relationships. When it comes to you guys, you're like, yeah, that shit goes in one ear out the other. No, dude, it doesn't work for me. My situation is different. My girl is so different. She's special. Right. Anyway, so you let a bad phase in your life destroy your life even more. So, like, when you say you couldn't control yourself, because I'm trying to help you not, I'm trying to let you not let this happen again. Because what if you get into another relationship with another girl? Have you overcome the problems that you face with that girl to not put yourself in that position again?
Sir, even myself, I don't know it completely because I never had another woman in my life since 2 years, and I've been focused completely on my career.
Yeah, here
And
we go.
I've reached a stage to make my life stable. I'm actually going to be starting in April a very good
Mhm.
job, so it's just good money. So I
Yeah,
also feel sometimes lonely in night. It's 3:26 a.m. in India,
got
and
you.
you know
So
suddenly
scarcity.
there's loneliness.
Scarcity.
Yeah,
Scarcity breeds scarcity.
yeah,
You don't have options with women, so you latch on to the one girl that give you any kind of attention. That girl eventually decide to do what's best for her because you made her your whole life. This is literally what happened, right? You don't have options. The first girl that gives you some pussy, you put all your energy and thought and focus into her. She gets scared and starts to get unattracted to you. She leaves you, then you lose your damn mind. Comes right back to you not having
you
options.
know you see it that way, but
Mhm.
I will defend it by saying that I was a stupid ass dumb shit
You were
that
not
who was all
stupid. No, no,
loyal
no,
and
no, no,
all.
no, 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 no. You were unaware. Don't call yourself stupid. You were just unaware, like most men are. Most men are just unaware. We think that what we were told about the way the world works is how the world works, and it doesn't work that way. Women do not operate that way. That love shit that y'all are so obsessed with, all the love is this Disney fairy tales. All right. I think love is very logical. Like for somebody to love you, there needs to be a value exchange. I don't look at love as like a very emotional thing. Like she loves me because I'm that dude. She don't love me because she loved me. She loved me because I'm that fucking dude. I'm young, handsome, and jacked, and I be fucking the shot of her. Yeah, that's why I love. She love me now. But if I was to get broke and fat, she would logically not love me anymore. So for me, my relationships with women are very logical. I don't expect them to treat me any different than they would treat a dude, right? That didn't have his shit together. So
I
this
understand.
Disney fairy tales that y'all like to put together in y'all heads with girls is ruining you. No girl loves me. I don't believe it. There's no girl on the planet that's gonna love me. They only love me for my utility, and I'm fine with that. They got to bring value to my life too. But I'm not no, oh yeah, my girl just different, bro. She loved me. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So now we're past that. All right. You can't let yourself still be
Yeah,
lonely. You have to put in effort to get yourself back out there so you can start to meet women.
yeah,
What caused you to get in that position was because you didn't have any options. So you got to build yourself up
yeah,
to be the man that has options. You can pick, you can choose, you can dictate how things go. Okay. So are you going to the
agree.
gym?
Yeah, yeah. I'm going to the gym for the past 4 months.
Okay. So your physique is progressing?
Do you want to see?
Yeah. Keep the pants on though. Let's see the physique without with the
Yeah, I
pants
have my
on.
pants on.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Got you. And you say you how old?
I am 25.
Okay, man, we gotta get this body, man. We gotta get this body right, buddy.
Yeah. I know.
Can't
I know. I know.
guys, let
I
me
know.
let me give you guys a tip for all of y'all. Like I'm gonna give you guys some real solid advice. When a woman shows you who she is, don't prove her right. If a girl starts showing me that she wants to be a thought or she wants to be for the streets, the worst thing I'm gonna do is let myself go and go to a fucking mental asylum because she wants to leave my ass. I'm gonna prove her wrong. She's taking a bet against me. She's saying that she don't think I'm good enough. So if you let yourself go, if you lose your damn mind, you're proving her right. You proved her right for leaving you. So you need to get your ass in shape, man. You're chubby. You're wiggly. You need to
I know.
start tracking your food, right?
Okay.
Start lifting for strength. Start doing all these things to make yourself look better, and start also talking to girls. They shit and piss too, bro. Women they poo and they pee. Nothing is that special about them. All right. So go talk to them like they're human beings, and you're gonna invite them to be a part of your life. As you work
Okay.
on your fitness, your finances, you can't neglect women, man.
I understand.
All right, bro. It's just that monk motion that keep killing y'all, man. Y'all motherfuckers gonna get destroyed. Y'all gonna learn one day. All right, bro. All right, man.
Yeah, surely.
All right.
Thank you
Wish
so
you the
much,
best.
man.
All right.